C and I'm excited to share with you my collection of Pop Mart Labubu plush dolls and vinyl pendants, which I affectionately refer to as bag charms. If you're a fan of these adorable items, you've come to the right place. For those of you who are new here, my interests lie in luxury fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If that sounds appealing, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications for future updates. I began my journey of collecting Labubu bag charms in the first week of November. It's been just a month now and I'm thrilled to say that I've managed to acquire more than 20 pieces along with a few plush dolls. I'm particularly drawn to the bag charms because they are not only cute but also functional, especially since I love bags. The way they look, especially when dressed up in outfits, it's simply delightful. I've noticed many collectors attach multiple charms to their bags, but personally, I prefer to keep it to one or two at a time. The charms are a bit heavier than traditional ones, making it a challenge to carry more than that. To be honest, if they didn't have as many clothing options or stylish outfit replacements to choose from, I might not have bought so many. It's amusing to think about how many accessories are available for these collectibles now. Along with the cute outfits, there are also shoes, hats, mini bags, and even protective cases to keep them clean and dry. Each time I change their outfits, I feel like I'm reliving my childhood all over again. So now, let's dive into my Labubu collection. Initially, I purchased a few pieces from the version 2 Have a Seat collection and some from version 1 macarons. As I fell more in love with them, I decided to get a complete set for each collection. You might notice some duplicates, and that's because I was aiming to collect the secret characters from both sets. Chestnut Cocoa from the macarons and Dudu from the Have a Seat collection. Sadly, I wasn't lucky enough to get them. The odds of finding each character is 1 in 72, making them incredibly rare, especially since these are blind boxes. It's nearly impossible to choose the specific character you want. Alright, let me just mention the main difference between the exciting macarons and the Have a Seat collection. The macarons are standing, have wide open black eyes, and the fur is like fluffy and slightly curly. The Have a Seat, on the other hand, are sitting, 3 with closed eyes and 3 with open eyes. Cuckoo or Chuchu, Dada, and Baba. The fur is smoother and in pastel colors. In addition to my regular collection, I also have 3 limited edition figures. One of them is from the Fall in the Wild collection, which comes with a cute outfit. I also purchased a large version, the Labubu Fall in the Wild doll or plush doll. Both are released April 12, 2024. The only difference between the two is the size. They are equally charming. Now, the Flip With Me, which is a 40cm doll, is also cute, and the doll's clothing designs are inspired by contemporary young adults' commuter wear. Its great feature is the eyes. They flip in 4 colors, like so. Another limited edition I adore is the Labubu X pronounced Wings of Fortune. The color is one of my favorites, but I must admit I'm not crazy about the gold outfit. Happy New Year! I think it would have looked better if it were in silver, pink, or in white. I'm gonna change her outfit really soon. This was released on October 3, 2024. And recently, I added the Labubu Mukoko Christmas Twinkly Fairy Tale by Popland to my collection. It was released last November 28 only. By the way, guys, all limited editions are collaborations, making them even more exciting to collect. Yes, they are way more expensive than the regular ones, but I do think worth collecting. I was selective in what limited editions I choose to add, and these 3 are my absolute favorites. However, I might just keep an eye out for the upcoming Coca-Cola Winter Series limited edition. If I'm not mistaken, today is the launching, and this is also a highly anticipated series because the color is white. Guys, I hope you found this video enjoyable. If you're also a collector of Labubu items, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please drop a comment below and let me know about your own collection. It's always wonderful to connect with fellow enthusiasts who share the same passion. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your support. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, happy collecting. Bye!